everyone, welcome back to my channel Craft Collection Ideas. If you enjoy creative craft and home decoration ideas, then today's video is just for you, because in this video I am sharing beautiful recycled craft ideas made from simple waste material that you can easily find at home. This channel is created for learning, educational and inspiration purpose, where you can find creative ideas and improve your craft skills. So, recycling is one of the easiest way to reduce waste and create something beautiful. Instead of throwing away old plastic bottles, bottle cap, ice cream stick, spoons, cardboard or glass mirror, you can turn them into amazing handmade decorations. The first design show as a beautiful wall mirror decorated with colored plastic spoons. By arranging the spoon-like flower petals, a simple mirror become an elegant wall decoration for your living room or bedroom. We can see a creative, very useful recycled plastic bottles cap. This is a fun craft ideas for gift, schools projects or holiday decorations. It improves that even small bottles caps can become wonderful at work. Another creative idea is this adorable recycled plastic bottle with simple printed and a few handmade details, and ordinary bottles turn into a cute decorative craft. Here we have a beautiful collections of craft ideas using this waste material. You can create a stylish and luxurious decoration that look perfect on a dressing table or bedroom wall. So guys, the best part about recycling projects is that they are affordable and environmentally friendly. You don't always need expensive material to create something beautiful. A little creativity, colorful paint and simple craft supplies can completely transform everyday waste into unique handmade decorations. Every craft idea is different and every handmade project reflects your own imagination. You can also change the color, pattern and decorations to match your personal style and home decor. Recycling not only helps protect our environment but also encourages creativity and reduce unnecessary waste. Small creative ideas can make a big difference. So guys, I hope you enjoy these beautiful recycling waste material craft ideas. Every home has many unused items like plastic bottles, bottle caps, cardboard, ice cream stick, old mirror, jars, cans and plastic spoons. Most people throw them these items, but with a little imagination they can become beautiful home decor. The first ideas is very unique and trendy. Another creative ideas use bottles caps to make a cute decorative character. This project is easy to make, perfect for school activity or children craft projects. So guys, you can also use recycled materials to make photo frame, wall hanging, text organizer, pen holder, flower pots, candle holder, gift decoration and many more other creative projects. The best part about this crafting is that every project is unique. You can choose your favorite color, pattern and decorative to create something that matches your own style. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Meet you in the next video. Bye bye.